video has been very highly requested. How to freak the same beat with different moves while twerking. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. We are back with another twerk tutorial. I am going to show you how to freak the same beat using a lot of different moves. This way you look like a professional dancer and not someone that just joined the stripper world. If you're brand new to the stripper world and you're nervous about how to twerk, if you go into the kind of clubs that require you to twerk, here's a little tutorial on how to freak the same beat using different moves. If you are new to my channel, please take the time to hit the subscribe button, leave a comment below with a little kiss mark. That makes you an official kiss of mine. Let's go ahead and get started. There's times at the club where I see a lot of the girls take one beat and rock it the same way the entire time. But when you've been in the dancing industry for such a long time, you figure out new ways on how to not lose the beat, but incorporate different twerk moves into the same sounding beats. If you're not comfortable sitting down that low, you can use your hands to hold up your body weight while you're squatting down. But I suggest that you try this move as often as you can so that your hips can be opened enough so that you can sit comfortably where it's no longer causing you pain. So you do have to stretch. You do have to hold that position for a long time if you're doing stage work or if you're doing the type of dance where you want to be doing floor moves. Make sure that your hips are widely open and that you're fully flexible, because it can be very painful to do those twerk moves if you're not stretched out properly. So always keep that in mind. Proper stretching is a must. No matter how minimal the twerk move may be, literally you must stretch and you must strengthen your core. I was an adult entertainer for a very, very long time. The strip club culture is second nature to me. That's where I feel most comfortable. If I have to be completely honest with my audience, I feel very comfortable in the stripper world, in that community. That's where I feel like I grew up. I've been dancing since I was 18 years old. So I know all about the strip clubs, the lifestyle. I've been in it for a very, very long time. The one thing that I did notice with these experienced dancers is that they can take a beat and twerk it 50 different ways without ever losing what beat they were last on. I mean, they make their booties twerk, they make their boobs twerk, their thighs go with the butt. Like, it's amazing. I think one time I even saw somebody spelling the alphabet with their booty. I swear, it was amazing to see. I've learned a lot of tricks on how to entertain my audience. Some of these moves are very, very advanced. I understand that, so you gotta work your way up to them. I do have a lot of twerk tutorials on my channel, so go ahead and check those videos out for more details on how to become a better twerker. Another thing that I would like to advise my professional dancers out there that have been in the industry for a long time, or even the new ones that are just gotten into the stripper world and the entire twerk world, stay hydrated. I know, stay very, very hydrated, because you will sweat. Sometimes when you go to these nightclubs and you're dancing for your money, I'm talking about really dancing, you're going to sweat profusely. You're going to sweat a lot. So please stay hydrated, because the more you twerk, the more you sweat, the faster you can get dehydrated. And actually, I've seen girls that have fainted, that have, collapsed from sweating so much and not taking a break to drink water. So make sure, especially if you're under the influence of alcohol, make sure you drink a lot of water. Thank you guys so much for joining me in this video. If there's any twerk move that you want me to break down for you in more detail, let me know. I would love to make those videos for you. Please go ahead and leave a comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.